Many relationships drift apart not because of dramatic betrayals or obvious incompatibilities, but because the quiet, unspoken currents beneath the surface rarely get addressed. If you've ever watched a partner pull away weeks or months after the initial spark, you're not alone. There are hidden reasons at work, reasons that often fly under the radar until it's too late. In this video, we'll uncover 3 quiet, overlooked forces that cause men to slip away from relationships, and we'll offer practical steps you can take today to counter them. Reason 1: emotional availability and the pace of connection. Men are often socialized to be solutions-driven, to fix problems, not to linger in the emotional fog of concern. When a relationship becomes a space where emotions run high and vulnerability is demanded, some men retreat to regain balance. This isn't about weakness or a lack of care, it's about a mismatch. Many relationships drift apart not because of dramatic betrayals or obvious incompatibilities, but because the quiet, unspoken currents beneath the surface rarely get addressed. If you've ever watched a partner pull away weeks or months after the initial spark, you're not alone. There are hidden reasons at work, reasons that often fly under the radar until it's too late. In this video, we'll uncover 3 quiet, overlooked forces that cause men to slip away from relationships, and we'll offer practical steps you can take today to counter them. Reason 1: emotional availability and the pace of connection. Men are often socialized to be solutions-driven, to fix problems, not to linger in the emotional fog of concern. When a relationship becomes a space where emotions run high and vulnerability is demanded, some men retreat to regain balance. This isn't about weakness or a lack of care. It's about a mismatch between how the relationship moves and how he processes emotions. If the pace feels like a sprint through intimacy, quick emotional disclosures, rapid escalation, or constant drama, he might pull back to reestablish his own equilibrium. The fix isn't to demand more emotions or to layer on more status checks. It's about creating a safe, steady rhythm, predictable conversations, room for introspection, and invitations to share without pressure. Foster spaces where he can reflect, tell you what he needs, and feel heard even when the answer isn't perfect. Reason 2: misaligned love languages and daily rituals. We often express love in ways that aren't meaningful to our partner. If his primary love languages aren't being met, whether through words of affirmation, acts of service, quality time, physical touch, or gifts, the relationship can feel hollow over time. Men may also drift when daily life becomes a series of logistical checkpoints. Who handles the errands? Who pursues shared hobbies? Who initiates plans? Subtle neglect of shared routines or misaligned expectations around time together can accumulate, creating a sense of drifting apart. The remedy is concrete and ongoing. Have a weekly check-in where you both share one thing that makes you feel connected and one thing that felt distant or confusing. Listen more than you speak, reflect back what you heard, and agree on one small action you'll take before the next check-in to improve the dynamic. Consistency beats intensity here. Second, map your love languages to daily life. Have a short exercise where each of you names your top 2 love languages and then brainstorm 2 to 3 specific, repeatable actions per language that you can commit to. For example, if quality time and acts of service are priorities, schedule a weekly date night and share the load on a recurring household task. The goal is not grand gestures, but reliable signals that you understand and value each other's needs. Third, protect autonomy with mutual growth plans. Create a shared growth track that outlines both partners' personal goals and how you'll support each other. This could involve independent projects, time for friends, or learning new skills. Check in on the track quarterly and adjust as life evolves. The sense that you're growing together while still growing individually reduces resentment and increases confidence in the relationship's future. Finally, address conflicts with intention rather than avoidance. If a disagreement triggers withdrawal, pause and name the pattern. It seems like we're both getting quieter when we disagree. Let's slow down and talk about what we each need in this moment. Use a collaborative stance, focusing on problem solving rather than winning. Men and women alike respond better to conversations framed around needs and solutions rather than blame and guilt. If you're watching this and you're concerned about someone slipping away, remember that the problem isn't necessarily a lack of care, but a mismatch in how connection is lived day to day. Start with small, tangible changes. Build rituals that create predictability, honor personal growth, and ensure emotional depth without sacrificing autonomy. These shifts don't require heroic efforts, just consistency, empathy, and a willingness to adapt. If you found this breakdown helpful, consider subscribing for deeper explorations into relationship dynamics that actually work in real life. In upcoming videos, we'll unpack how to rebuild trust after conflicts, how to set healthy boundaries without pushing people away, and how to cultivate love languages that stick. Subscribe to join a community committed to practical, compassionate relationship growth.